and welcome to CB Cover Store, your home for dinghy trailers and covers. Welcome to our latest product. This is a little guided tour of the Wear OS based SailtimeWatch app. So this is a racing timer app for Wear OS watches. Let's just get into the app itself. So pressing the home button, we've got the app right there. As you can see, it resembles popular sailing watches and has two parts to its screen. At the top, the controls for the watch itself, and at the bottom, some settings so you can change colours, for example. We've got blue, red and yellow, pale blue. And the default sequence type, which is a 5-minute, 3-minute or 1-minute countdown. So we're going to stick with 5 minutes and a blue, and we'll just go through its functions. So our default start, obviously, 5 minutes. Start the watch by pressing the start-stop button, and as you can hear there, it repeats the time with voice prompt. Like most sailing watches, we have a synchronization function, so if you miss your start gun, you can pick up it on the next one. Synchronization to the next minute,
3 minutes,
and so on. When we get to the final countdown,
2 minutes,
you will notice further prompts
1 minute,
at slightly closer intervals. Let's just let that run down.
$45.
We'll let this run all the way down to 0 so you can hear the start, and then we'll go through some of its other features.
30. 20. 15. 12. 10. 9, 8, 7.
You can hear a
6,
vibrator as well,
5,
so the watch
4,
vibrates by default.
3, 2, 1.
And there we have your race start. So let's stop the watch, and we have a clear function, so clear to 0, and then a program function to go back to our original sequence. Okay. Now, one of the things we've discovered in our testing is that a touchscreen watch can be a little bit tricky to use when you're out on the water and the watch screen gets wet. So we've introduced a touch lock feature. If your watch has a physical button that can be used, so this is a Mob Void TicWatch Pro 3. This has a single physical button here which can be used for programmable features. If we press and hold on the center of the screen, we get touch lock. So at this point now we have no touch features until we turn it off. Let's just put it back on. Now in this mode we can operate all the functions from the push button. So if I push it once,
5 minutes,
the watch will start. While it's running, if I push it again,
4 minutes,
we get the sync function. Okay, so I can synchronize
3 minutes,
to each minute there. Once we're, I won't let this run all the way down, but once we are started, if we want to get ready for the next race, we push and hold,
2 minutes,
and we go back to 5. And
5
again.
minutes,
There we go.
4 minutes,
And back to where we started. I'll take the touch lock off, and there you have it. The latest product from CB Cover Store.